Here at Quality Products, we do flux core welding, stainless and steel, and we do MIG welding, stainless steel, aluminum, and TIG welding, stainless steel, aluminum, and some titanium.
We have 3 full-time welders, and our fab shop lead guy is a welder, and myself. So we have 5 total.
MIG welding is a semi-automatic welding process which uses a consumable, where a TIG weld, you use a tungsten to produce the arc for welding.
We do MIG, TIG, and then we have a cold transfer welder. Carbon steel, stainless, aluminum, Hastelloys. Sometimes you can, depending on which filler wire, you can weld stainless to carbon steel.
Dual shield flux core welding is great because you can weld in all positions with minimal spatter and cleanup.
All of our certifications are customer driven, so all our welders are certified to a customer specific weld operation.
This is one of our welds we did. Pretty thick material. So what we did, we run a root pass with a TIG, drop down the voltage a little bit, and run a cap pass over the top of it. I don't know if you can see, it's very beautiful, looks like art.
We take pride in our work, especially when customers come in and they give us a new challenge or even old things that we can work on. Everything's just personalized really to how the customer wants it, and we just try to do a great job.
We're also a one-stop shop with the fab shop, machine shop, and welding. We can take care of everything in one place.
Those guys are skilled, they got great character.
Our welders, they take pride in their work. The attention to detail that these guys have is incredible, and that's what sets them apart from everybody else.
We go to every length that we can to make sure the customer is absolutely 100% satisfied with the product that we are welding for them. Especially customers who require a high visual appearance. Some welds get painted over, so they're not as picky about the welding process for that as far as the aesthetics is. But you know, it's all customer driven. I want those folks to realize we know what we're doing and they're going to come back and see us.